Hi, so I'm going to show you how to log into your WordPress website and show you just a few of the basic features to begin with. So the first thing is you need to open up a web browser and you need to type in the web URL of your specific web. In this case, mine's edutechnologic.com. So you're looking at your basic website. Once you have entered that, you're going to want to type in, and this is lowercase, wp-admin, then select enter. Now you'll see this will take me to a login page. Next thing I'm going to request that you do is to bookmark this page. You can see up here in Firefox I have a bookmarks button with a bookmark this page. I simply select this. You can see that it gives me the name. I can change this name. I select done. I go back to bookmarks and here it is. So this saves me the effort of having to hunt and peck. Now under username, the username is the one that was provided to you, and if for some reason you have forgot your password, simply select lost password, type in your email, and it will send you your password and login. So now I'm going to log in, and as a rule of thumb, never select remember me. That's just a big security risk, and you're just opening yourself up to somebody potentially coming in and editing your content if they happen to get on your machine. Okay, so now we are within the WordSite editing window, and you'll see the dashboard is highlighted in gray. This is what we're looking at. This will tell you how many posts you have, how many pages, categories, and tags. It also gives you some other additional information, such as like recent comments that people may have left you. And there's also something called Quick Press if you just wanted to update a quick page, but we're not going to review that. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed in regards to the new terminology, don't fret. You're not alone, but you will not need to remember that many terms. The ones that you will use, you will become intimately familiar with. So what we're going to take a look at right now is creating a new page. So I select Pages, and I've got an edit, an add new, and a page mash. Odds are you may or may not have page mash. We're not going to review that. What we're going to look at is the edit and add new. So, and you're also looking at this page. These are all of my pages that are within my web. As you can see, the private is listed here. This specifically means that nobody else has access to this page but me, because it is private, only to me. Draft means that I'm working on a specific page, but it's not ready for prime time yet. So it has not been published. And when I say published, it means that it is live and available on the web. And you can see every time I mouse over each one of these pages, I've also got the ability to select Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, and View. Edit is a quick hyperlink that will take me to the page. Quick Edit just allows me to do really quick edits, such as retitle the page, change the author, change the status. If I want to add a password to the page, I can also do that. I can also change the order of the page, and I can also update this immediately. But I'm not going to do any of that right now. There's also trash. Trash means to delete, and view, by selecting view, just simply takes me to the live version of this page. So this is the first tutorial and just a quick brief overview of how to edit your page, or how to look at it. The next tutorial we will look at actually how to create and edit a page. Alright, so now we're into the next step. You have successfully logged into your WordPress site. You've selected pages, and you're ready to create a new page. So we are simply going to select Add New. You'll see that a new page appears. Now, this line right here is the title of your page. So I'm simply going to call this title. When you see upload and insert here, upload and insert is add an image, add a video, add music. This is all encompassing of music, video, and images. And then you also have the ability, maybe have the ability to use Bubblecast and Aperture. This is according to the specific installation and plugins that have been added within your site. The next bar, this is bold, italics, underline. You've got centering. You also have the remove formatting. And here you've got the ability to add in embed media, such as video files and Flash. But one of the most important features that I want everybody to acknowledge right now is the kitchen sink. Because if your web looks like this, select the kitchen sink, and that's when you'll see this appear. So now we're just simply going to add some simple text. Next thing I want to do is I want to make this text bold. Now see that the text is bold, and I want to change the color, and I want to change this to red. Fantastic. So the next thing that I want to do is I'm just going to save this as a draft, and so that you can see here under the status, this is where I can change the status from pending review to a draft, or if I want to make this public. Visibility is currently public, but I want to make this private because I don't want anybody else to see this. But the next thing I want to do is preview the page. I can either select the preview button here, or I can select the preview button up here. So I've selected the preview button here, a new tab opens, and here I have the simple text. And you'll also notice that I've got a comment box open here at the bottom. In order to turn the comment box off, you need to scroll down to the bottom and deselect the allow comments and allow trackbacks. Now when I select that, I'm going to select update page again. I can go back to this page and I can just simply refresh my page, and you can now see that it has been removed. So that is adding simple text. The next video tutorial, we will actually add an image into your web.